waze wabangenela ngebhandi uThumthum. Bobabili ke sana. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. Hi, ucasuke uThumeka mathola bebabini ebhedini uZweleka noHlathi. Esethi wena Zweleka, I've been crying on your shoulder, kanti you are the mistress who've been sleeping with my husband. Wamngenela ngebhandi athi uHlathi uyalamula ukuthi yeka lento yenzayo Thumeka angenele noHlathi ke ngebhandi. Esethi uZweleka acasuka uZweleka athi ngishaya kwami in my own house ebhedini yami and you are the mistress wena Thumeka. Athi wena ngiyakukesa wamkhesa Thumeka ukhesa uZweleka athi ngukhesa ubomi bakho bonke. Wahamba ke engasaphathekile kabi, she was crying and then she left. Manje uZweleka, like, she's got bruises at the back and she says ukuthi she's going to lay charges. Uma wakhe wemnceka ukuthi hawu cha mntanami, don't do that, let's handle this as a family. Uyazi kahle ukuthi uThumeka kade vele emkhathalela uHlathi athi cha ma uThumeka waited for me to leave for America wasala wangena umyeni wami. uHlathi umyeni wami phela. Anyway, they find out ukuthi uThumeka is missing. Thumeka didn't come home. Ifone yakhe off. Ababuza abantwana ke uqhawekazi nolikamva abuza utatabo ukuthi tata uphuma. Uma is nowhere to be found. They try calling her, she doesn't pick up ifone ku voicemail. Ulikamva egcina selwa nobaba wakhe athi it's your fault ukuthi lento yenze umama is missing because you are cheating on her. Bamlamule ke sefuna umshaya ethi uyadelela kwedini. And then on the other hand, Lazarus went to see Sydney saying ukuthi uSydney must reinstate uqhawekazi. Uqhawekazi has nothing to do with izinto zakhe noZweleka, and she was just fired unlawfully because bengazi ukuthi uZweleka uma wakhe when she applied. So Sydney must just reinstate the poor girl. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.